Thakur College of Science and Commerce, a place where we don't just learn, we attempt to change the world. A place where the focus is on the overall development. Also, education is not just the learning of facts, but the training of mind to think. Thakur Degree College was established in the year 1997 by the founding members with the notion of providing an avenue of learning within easy reach to the growing young population. Thakur College of Science and Commerce is also known as TCSE and is one of the most successful educational institutes. Thakur College has been accredited with Grade A by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council NAAC, an autonomous institution of the University Grants Commission in the year January 2011. College, apart from the academics, also conducts various extracurricular activities as it's important, and by taking part, you will build up long lasting friendships and connections, meeting students from different backgrounds and gaining transferable skills such as communication, teamwork, organization, problem solving, and time management. It will also help in improving your confidence. Today, we see so many students in the campus and from various courses who wish to study and want to make their career in the particular field. Tagore College of Science and Commerce is one of the most renowned institutes in Mumbai and has been awarded with the Best College Award for the year 2018-19 under the guidance of Dr. Mrs. C.T. Chakraborty, the principal. Tagore College of Science and Commerce offers many courses, and Bachelors of Investment Management (BIM) is one of the courses of the following. Investment management refers to the handling of financial assets and other investments. Not only buying and selling them, management also includes banking, budgeting, taxes, services, and duties. Professional investment management aims to meet particular investment management goals for the benefit of clients whose money they have the responsibility of overseeing. This field is quite relevant in today's world. Department of BCom Investment Management majorly deals with the field of financial asset management, where students are rigorously trained to work in the finance market and as a brokers with the relevant and application based curriculum. Investment management program will provide you with the real world accounting and finance expertise that leads to a wide range of rewarding international roles. Investment management is a demanding course. During the course, you will cover up and develop extensive expertise in a range of specialized areas such as the management of equity and bond portfolios, trading techniques, asset liability management, risk management, alternative investments, structured products, portfolio optimizations, and many more. According to an annual study by research and advisory firm Willis Towers Watson and the financial newspaper Pensions and Investments, the investment management industry is growing and rapidly growing. When based on the combined holdings of the 500 biggest investment managers across the globe, the global industry has approximately 93.8 trillion US dollars worth of assets under the management, which is a big number. Looking at the data and facts, investment management is a subject with a very wide future. And today we also have with us the HOD of the Department of BIM from Thakur College of Science and Commerce, Mrs. Nisha Bhatnagar. Ma'am, what according to you is investment management and what will happen once the course is completed?
BCom Investment Management is a professional course that prepares students in acquiring the skills for a career in financial account management. Students get rigorous training in the concept of accounts, finance, statistics, and capital market. BCom Investment Management is a 3-year full-time undergraduate 6-semester courses. Students on successful completion of these courses can get the job roles in the capacities of investment banker, investment analyst, investment advisor, financial manager, account manager, merger and acquisition banker. From investment management graduates taking up any of these roles can get the salary of rupees 35,000 to 45,000 rupees per month. Business economics. Business economics help in establishing the relationship between different economic factors such as income, profit, losses, and market structure. This helps in guiding the manager in efficient decision making running the organizations. The basic role of the business economics is to find out the various problems uplifting the company, find out the reason behind this problem, analyze the factors functioning of the company, and finally suggest various alternative corrective measures taken up by the management. Business involve decision making. Decision making means selecting of any one of out of two or more alternative courses of action. Why the question arises of choice? Because the basic resources, that is land, labor, capital management, are limited and can be employed in the alternative uses. Economics helps students in decision making process with respect to utilization of the basic resources. Resources can be used in the best possible manner in order to earn the maximum profits.
I take a subject in investment management like wealth management, project management, and financial management. Under wealth management, we give the students practical examples how wealth is important for individuals' life, as well as from the company's point of view, understanding clients' portfolio and suggesting them the financial product for their wealth creation. Under project management, we make our students understand how important is project completion with the task activity, understanding the project techniques, and then following those techniques within the time duration, and that also with the cost effective technologies. Under financial management, we give the practical calculation examples of working capital requirement, how cash has to be balanced out, and how it has to be reinvestment into the business. Yes, of course, this field is relevant because investment management gives us professional understanding about particular wealth, as well as it helps companies to create their own wealth in the form of investing in different types of financial instruments, whether it is mutual fund, insurance, bonds, securities, and how to gain utmost advantage from your expertise skill. The future of this course is very bright because our college is offering investment management since 2015-16, and this course has a very rare opening in other colleges and the Mumbai University. We are fortunate that we are offering this course since year 2015 and 16. After that, we have got our autonomous status, and our college has been selected one of the best college in the Mumbai University in the year 1819.
After I completed my 12th, there was a question in front of me what needs to be done next. When I started looking for options, I came across this course, Investment Management. This course fascinated me a lot, and so I did a little research on it. When I came to know, the subjects offered in this course have a huge diversification. They cover almost all the topics which are important for a commerce graduate to know. Investment is pervasive and is present almost everywhere. Investment helps you become financially independent and meet your financial goals. Investment is beneficial and is present almost everywhere. The benefits of investment are endless. Bachelor's in Investment Management is a course designed to give you deeper knowledge and understanding in the field of investment. Thakur College of Science and Commerce is one of those few colleges which offers its students the opportunity to explore this dynamic field of investment. Thakur College of Science and Commerce has been providing with a number of facilities for the betterment of their students. Our college provides us with one of the best infrastructure facilities. They also provide internship opportunities to the deserving candidates. The college has been arranging for industrial visits. They also conduct events for gaining knowledge in the specialized field.
Events of Investment Management is an amalgamation of knowledge and amusement. We have Investors Awareness Week. In this event, we invite colleges from all over the Mumbai. We also have guest lectures of prominent personalities from the industry. We also have Investors Fiesta. In this event, we incorporate the skills of entrepreneurship and also learn how to start a startup from the scratch. One of our main events is Contrarian. In this event, we explore the world of stock market and learn investing at an early age.
Yes, this is a very good financial course for the students who are eagerly interested in financial instruments and markets. Students get to learn many things about the financial markets and get a practical knowledge about how the stock market works. College provides various platforms related to financial markets and instruments. through which a student can learn thoroughly and understand well about the stock markets. College organizes various events which helps the students to learn about financial planning as well as developing the skills of managing a team.
Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking leads to knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. So, here we welcome you to the Department of BCom Investment Management to gain more knowledge regarding what and how does the things work related to finance and be a good investment manager.